Hi guys, I'm going to show you two ways that you can do division problems. The first one is a mental computation, and I'm going to give you a little scenario. Let's pretend you go to the shop and you see this price tag on some bananas for $6.80. It's a pretty good deal. Okay, and what you want to think, I'm just going to get my decimal point. Let me just rub that out. And okay, can you see the decimal place there? Point. Okay, so I've got 4 for $6.80. You think that's a good deal, but you don't really feel like 4 bananas, so you think to yourself, do I want to buy the 4 bananas or should I just buy one? So you check the price of the one banana and you think, okay, let's work out if I'm buying 4 for $6.80, is it worth it to buy? What is the price of one banana if I'm buying 4 for $6.80? So what you need to do is divide $6.80 by 4. Now, one simple way of doing this is to do it in your head. Okay, and what you need to do is you need to think about $6.80. And let's just think, and the way I'll do it is just to draw a picture and pretend that you've got a $6.80 bill, okay, or a note, $6.80. And you're going to divide that up into 4 parts. You're going to go this. It's not quite even, but let's say that's 4 even parts. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and what you need to do first when you're dividing by 4 is think, let me cut $6.80 in half, and that'll give me 2 out of the 4 parts. So half of $6.80, so this part here, half of that, half of 6 is 3, and half of 80 is 40. So you've got $3.40. And then you need to cut that in half again because you want this part here. So I'm going to cut $3.40 in half, and half of 3 is $1.50, and half of 40 is 20 cents. And so if I can just zoom out and move this over a bit, it is going to equal $1.70. Okay, and so let's just recap that. I took my $6.80, I split it into 4 parts. Visually in my head, I cut it in half, again, and I was able to find this area here, which is 1/4 of $6.80. Did that in my head. There's another way though, and you can write this is written division, or writing it down. And this isn't so easy when you're in the shop, but if you need to, you can use this. You take your number, $6.80. I'm going to write that down, $6.80, and then you just say, right, I want to divide 4 into it, and you write it down like this and say, I'm going to now divide. So I'm just changing colors. Divide 4 into this number here, okay? And this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to look at how many times 4 goes into $6, and I know that it can go into once, but there's some left over. There's 2 left over, so I'm going to put this little 2 here. And then 4 goes into 28 7 times. Don't forget though to put the decimal place. We keep the notation all correct. So we've got the decimal place there. We've got the ones in the ones column, and this is the tenths in the tenths column. And then of course we never say 1.7 when we're talking about money. We will always say lastly we need to think, how many times does 4 go into 0? 0 times. Okay, so we would never leave that blank because we're talking about dollars. So $6.80 divided by 4 is $1.70, which is exactly what we got for the first one. So that's a couple of ways of doing division. One of them's mental, one of them's written, and good luck.